guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh god, I've been wanting to record this video forever, but trust me, sis is just so tired. I'm tired all the time and I'm just at the point where I just want to get it over with. So my bag, I do apologize, it will be a bit incomplete, as in I don't have all my stuff as yet. However, my baby's bag is complete. Bear with me please, I'm a first time mother. I've watched millions of videos, I've asked millions of questions. I know some of the stuff that I'll be taking, I probably won't use them, but I just want to have them nevertheless. Don't judge me. So guys, I'll be taking this robe. It's very thick, well not very, but it's suitable. I was going to buy a new robe, but then I was like, nah, what's the sense? I won't be in the hospital for that long, maybe 2 days max. I probably won't use this, but I did get a new towel. So soft. I deliver vaginally and I'm feeling well enough and I want to take a shower. Then I have my towel here. I am going to be taking 2 nightgowns. I was going to take 3, but then I say, you know what, I probably won't even wear them until after I deliver, because I don't want to get them messy, you know. I did not get a nursing bra, but I do plan throwing a nursing bra in here. For right now, I'm just gonna take this. And don't judge me, I know my stuff and I know my size. This will be fine. So I'll just be taking this bra. It doesn't have any bones in it, not a lot of padding. It's very, very comfortable. I have some underwear here. I'll be taking this washcloth. I'm only gonna be taking 1 pair of socks because I am told that the hospital does provide socks for you, and I'll probably be throwing this sock away anyway after I'm done. Remember, I tell you my bag is going to be incomplete, so I do need to get some breast pads. However, I have 2 in here, disposable ones. I think the hospital gives you maxi pads. It depends on the hospital that you deliver at, I guess, but I just wanted to be safe, and I know those maxi pads are really big and I am really small. So I did get a pack of Stay Free maxi pads. My grandmother gave me this bottle. I might not use it, but I might, you know. Gotta stay hydrated. I need to throw some bed slippers in here and some nipple cream. In regards to toiletries, I will not be taking any toothpaste, mouthwash, any of that. However, I do have a little bag here. I'll be taking my own toothbrush, my face wash, my scar serum. I know you're not supposed to really use perfume, but I'm gonna walk with it anyway because I love a good smell. Some deodorant, aromatherapy lotion, and I'm going to be taking a little bonnet. And the hospital provides you with a care package. There's no shame in my game. If you can save me some coins versus going out to buy miniature or sample size stuff, I'm gonna save some coins. Last but not least, just to finish up my bag, I need to put a going home outfit in here, some slippers, nipple cream, and some nursing pads, and that's it from me. Guys, I have not forgotten my documents. I know you need your health insurance. If you have a birthing plan, I know that's necessary as well. However, I don't have a birthing plan. And yeah, you want to bring your charger. I don't know if you have an extra long one, that would be good. You need earphones or headphones. Well, you don't need them, but I know I need them for a fact. Your purse. So I don't have any cash in here at the moment. I only have my cards. But I'll be having some cash in here for the vending machine. Because sis, I'm not telling you that I'm going to be taking snacks. As for my baby's bag, it comes with a changing sheet, and this is it. I know I won't need it, but it came with the bag, so hey, it's gonna stay right in there. So for the first thing I will show you guys, I do plan to breastfeed my baby, but just in case, I don't know, I just want to be extra prepared. I know if they give the baby formula, they'll probably have a bottle, but I did sterilize a bottle. I threw this in here for him. I sterilized 2 pacifiers as well. I don't want to touch this one because not gonna cover. I know that I don't need any diapers. However, I did throw a few in here. I know the hospital provides you with wipes probably, but I was told that sometimes they're dry as hell. So I'm just gonna have mine just in case it freezes. I don't know if I want to take a pack or if I want to walk with just 2 blankets in here. I'm throwing in one newborn onesie. This one is long, not sure as you can see. I have 2 going home outfits. But yeah, this is one. I'm gonna show you one of them for going home. This shirt, here's a white shirt, and some cute little socks, and a cute little hat. I don't need this much clothes, but we have another going home outfit. For our outfit, he could just put on. I decided to take just one babe. I'm throwing in 2 more socks in here. I'm not gonna do hat. So basically for each outfit or clothing item, I have a hat and some socks. This probably will not fit him, but this probably will not fit him either, but the idea of it is so cute. I don't know. Depends on how big he is. I don't know. Taking a plastic clip. Baby's bag is from Fisher Price. Hey guys, so thank you for watching this video. That was the end of it. If you did like this, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. You can share it. Comment down below and tell me what you think. Tell me what you had in your hospital bags or bag if you took one. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.